I think this is my favorite summer makeup look. I'm not even kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be here with you guys doing this summer makeup look. It's so glowy. It's also very protected from the sun. And I'm just having so much fun styling summer, my hair, my outfits. If you wanna see how I got this look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. These two D'Alba products are my essentials for protected, glowing skin in the summertime. I already did my brows and at-home lash extensions, so I'm gonna get my skin prepped for the makeup. This is so important for glowy skin. We're gonna start with this one. Actually, let me just finish using this one. I'm clearly obsessed. I have to shake it up to mix the oil and the serum together. This is the D'Alba First Spray Serum. By the way, a portion of this video is sponsored by D'Alba. It hydrates, preps, and it's an oil-based mist, which is great for gripping makeup. Just look at the glow. And this is the first skincare product I put on my face. The hydration, the glowiness, it's my favorite. If you're gonna be out in the sun, your skin is aging by the second, so you need to protect it. You need a good sunscreen. And if you're a makeup girly like me, you're gonna need it to be invisible. This is the D'Alba Waterfull Essence Sunscreen. After I mist, I'll use the 2-finger roll of sunscreen and apply it evenly all over my face. And the best part is that it's completely invisible once you blend it in. It also leaves you with the juiciest glowing skin. I also love that this has white truffle in it, which is an anti-aging ingredient. Such a rare, expensive ingredient. Smooths fine lines and diminishes wrinkles. You get this radiant, youthful complexion. I have been using D'Alba for a long time. I'm 38, and I think my skin looks pretty well taken care of. It's because of the skincare that I use. White truffle is one of those ingredients that are so rare. There's hyaluronic acid. It gives you an instant glow without being greasy, and it has that lightweight texture that wears really beautiful under makeup. If you want that full glow, apply it to your neck and collarbone, which I feel like your neck is your face. You should be applying your SPF and your skincare to your neck and your chest. Your skin is so much glowier, prepped for makeup, and protected from the sun. This is just the perfect SPF. The exciting thing is D'Alba products are currently on sale on Amazon Prime Day. That's July 8th through 11th for 50% off. And my Dom fam, my girlies, are getting an extra 10% off using the code DALBAKRISTEN. I'll have the code here. I'm so excited for you guys to try this and get this glow. I swear by this product. I use so much D'Alba, I'm obsessed. My lips are so dry, and Valentino just came out with these balms. It's so pretty, it's juicy, but I need the hydration for my lips because they're so dry. And then lately, I've been doing a lip stain for my makeup. I love this orange one from Dominique. It's Tangerine Dreams. I feel like orange is my summer color, but I'll just put that on and I'll blend it right away just because it is a stain, and I'll put that underneath my makeup. It's so important to work in thin layers in the summertime. That way you have these thin backup layers that will always stay in place. Put a little bit on my nose and my lips. I should actually just put this on because it's so hydrating. There's another shade called Plushy Fuchsia. It is actually my first favorite, but I like the orange for the summertime. So we have that flush underneath our eyes. It also kind of color corrects. I think I have a little bit less on this side. And I also have to show you guys how I've been doing my blush. I bring it down pretty far, kind of like a boyfriend blush, because it gives you like a contour that's super natural. I've been liking it. If you have rosacea, I feel like you wouldn't like that, but I really have been liking that technique. And then after that, I'll go in with my bronzer. This is a new liquid bronzer from Natasha Deanna. This is a BK Beauty 115 brush. I'll take that and just place it on the areas that the sun would naturally hit. It doesn't even have to be perfect. I'm gonna do my jawline into the ear. This is the first ever liquid bronzer that I've seen, and I think it's really cool because she has some really good benefits in this too. So I don't know, I really like the idea of it being like a foundation almost. Let me go ahead and actually sculpt. So I'm gonna take my Dominique cream bronzer in soft bronze and just take it underneath my nose. Give my nose a little lift by placing this like half moon above the tip of the nose like that, and then a line down just so that it gives structure. It also kind of slims it out. I don't really need to slim it out, but I do like the structure that it gives right in the center of the face. And then I'll sweep through my eyes to give a lift and to also just kind of give some kind of dimension there. Forehead. A lot of people seem to really like this cream bronzer because it blends into the skin like butter. It has hyaluronic acid and squalane. It's going to smooth out any texture around your cheek, and I specifically made that because I have so much texture around my cheek. This BB cream right here is so good. The coverage is amazing. I'm gonna take it on the cheek, and then I'll go in the center of the forehead, any larger areas of your face. For the concealer, I use two different shades. So one that's more neutral. This is Oat Milk from Dominique, and I'll put that in the inner part of my eye because I don't want it to look too bright in the center. And then I'll go in with Almond Milk, which is a little brighter in the center of my eye, and any points that I want to highlight on my face, the chin, and I'll go back in with this one on the corners so it doesn't look overly bright. And that's kind of how I'll map out the placement of my concealer. And then once I'm done, it always feels like it looks a lot more natural than when I would do just one concealer. This is a concealer brush from IT Cosmetics, the number 148. I'm trying to be better at letting you guys know what brushes I'm using, just because I never really did that in the past, but they're so important to get a good makeup application. So I want to show you guys what brushes I'm using to make sure that you're getting the best out of my videos as possible. The best information, the best techniques. I want you guys to look so good out in the world and feel so confident. Do you guys have any summer plans? I went to Puerto Rico recently with my family for a family vacation, and it was so fun. I take this bigger brush. This is the BK Beauty 101, and this is just, you're gonna go over everything. Stamp it and blend it even more in place. Go around the jawline, down the neck. The skin looks good, we're bronzy, but we do need some more blush. So this is the second layer of blush. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Peachy Glow. And it gives you like that healthy glow that I'm very much wanting in this entire video. This is such a glowy look. I feel like glowy looks are perfect for summertime, but because I have dry skin, I kind of like a glowy look all year round. This feels so good on the skin. And like I said, blend the blush a little further down to kind of give me that boyfriend blush. And I'll put a picture here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Add a little bit more on my lip. And we have different layers of makeup going on, which is really key to having a good long-lasting makeup if you're a makeup girly in the summertime. I don't want it to move around, so I'm gonna take some setting powder. This is a translucent one, and it's a hydrating one. It's not an uncomfortable matte. Press it on the back of your hand first so it's an even application. And what I'm doing is just pressing the makeup in place in this area so it doesn't slide around. I wanna do a light, thin powder, just so it doesn't move. And then I'll do my eyelids, just because my eyelids are so oily. I don't know how God made my eyelids so oily, but the rest of my face is dry. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer from Makeup by Mario, and this is the C40 brush from Rose & Ben, and take that across the forehead, through the eyes, and then right on the cheekbone. This also kind of helps with chiseling out this area and making it look slimmer. So I like to do my jawline a little bit and underneath the chin, and then bring it down into the neck. I'm gonna switch my brush to this one. This is like a medium fluff, kind of wide brush. Take that bronzer. Everywhere we put the cream to contour our nose, or if you even decided to contour your nose, go back over with a powder so it stays in place. It also enhances the shape that you created. If you created a shape, or if you're just enhancing your natural shape, it's going to look even better and last longer. The point is for your makeup to last long in the summertime with all this heat, and powder's really gonna stick it in place. It's right in the socket. I'm taking a highlight. I'm not a highlight person, but NARS came out with this highlight and it is so good. I'm just gonna put it on the inner corners of my eye, the brow bone, the nose. This is giving 2016. For the cheek, I'm just gonna pop it like right on the temple. I have to show you guys, this is from Rem Beauty. It's a eyeshadow. It's a single shadow, but I feel like this is perfect for summertime. I'm gonna use this on my lower lash line. It gives a highlight without it being that silver sparkle, just a little something different for summertime. Top this off a little bit more. I'm taking this Valentino pink blush and layering that at the highest point of my cheekbone. We already have the peach, the tangerine, and I'm gonna take that in the center of my nose too. Also on the outer corners of my eyes and the temple. I always re-enhance my mole because it goes away under my makeup. And I have so many other moles, but these two are my favorite. And to do that, I'm using the Freckle XL pen. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go in with these Huda Beauty lip stains. They're like lip liner stains, so I'm really excited to try it. This is the shade Rosewood. I don't know if it's showing up too well on my lip, I think it's a little dried out. This darker one is called Cinnamon, and I'm gonna apply it. Oh my god, my nose is running. I love a good long-lasting stain, and I use them all over my face now. So I'm really excited about these Huda Beauty ones. This shade is really pretty. I love these type of red tone shades. The only thing is you have to be careful how you put it on because it will stay that way. So make sure you put it on like with a good shape. I'm gonna use this Supergoop Glow Gloss in Pink Peppermint. It has an SPF of 40 in it, which is great. So, and it's so cute. Look how cute the packaging is. But I'm gonna put this on top. It's kind of sheer. Rem Beauty has this really pretty gloss, kind of matches their eyeshadow. It's called Fembot, and it has like a multicolor iridescent sparkle. Okay, to finish my makeup, I'm gonna go back in with the Dalba First Spray Serum. Shake it up. It melts any powder on your face back into skin. You have this dewy glow. This is probably my favorite summer makeup look. It's fresh, it's glowy, it's easy. Please let me know if you're gonna try this in the comments and if you're gonna try any of these products that I used today. But before I go, I have to show you guys this Jisoo honey infused hair perfume. It's called Wildflower Honey. I'm gonna spray this in my hair all summer long. It is the prettiest scent on top of this Sol de Janeiro 48. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're gonna recreate this, let me know in the comments. I would love to see who's recreating. And please tag me if you post your look on Instagram or on TikTok. I love to see your guys' recreations. And before I let you go, I just wanna remind you that you are beautiful. And what makes you beautiful is how you treat everyone around you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.